So today we're gonna do our DIY texture painting for the living room. We wanted to do this project a long time ago, but we never really had time to do it. Today we're finally doing it. We're super excited. We have all our stuff in here, all our tools, and
I'm pretty sure our spatulas are going to be way too small for our 40 by 60 inch canvases. But
we bought two canvases so we can like play around with one and then have another one that's going to be the real one that's going to go up in the living room. So let's start. So here are some of the stuff we got at Michael's. This is like the first time we're doing this,
yeah,
so we're not really sure.
So we got like a couple of different things actually, and we got two canvases. One is just gonna be to
play around, you know, have fun, and then the other one's gonna be the one that's gonna go in the living room. So yeah, so this is what we found at Michael's.
I think we're gonna have to use this big tub. It's gonna be the only one that's like we have enough of to do these giant canvases. So
yeah, and this is like to add maybe some color. We're not really sure what are we doing here.
I forgot we got those.
I know, me too. Okay guys, we think we're ready. We're gonna do the real thing now. You ready, Mike?
Yeah, I still think we need bigger spatulas, but we're gonna try. Oh yeah. Back foot up. You know what I mean? Like literally weighing down the canvas. I think it'll be fine. We just gotta keep spreading first before we do anything. No. Okay, it's still not even like.
Okay, so it seems like we're done. This is how it looks like. We're gonna wait until it dries now and see how it looks on the wall. Friends, we're so happy that our project is done and up in our wall. It looks so good. It looks like better than I thought. I am so happy with it. It's like super delicate. I didn't do any top coat on it. So if you guys have any recommendation on what to do, I'm like very afraid to add anything. But we love it. We are super happy. It's exactly what I wanted. I just wanted some texture and very plain, kind of like off-white color. It goes perfectly with what I'm going for in the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the list of things that we use to do this. It's super easy, relaxing, fun. So I totally recommend that if you're at home and wanna do this. Super fun, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a like. Love you guys. Bye.